Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix D, E and F drive missing in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it with 5 methods guys. First method, you just need to go to search menu and type disk management. Comes up create and format hard disk partitions. Click on open it. Select the action tab and select rescan disk. After getting done, you just need to check if the problem solved or not. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type a device manager. Click on open it. Expand the disk drives and you just need to right click on the disk that is missing. By here you can able to see the disk size. In my case 120 GB. You just need to right click on it and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After getting updated, you can check if the problem solved or not. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. X means may you have more than one, like this. Then you just need to change the letter guys over here. After changing it, you just need to copy and paste it. After pasting it, press enter. Now list volume, just paste it. Now you know your drive missing by the size. In my case, D is missing. Now you just need to type the volume number guys in the drive letter. In my case, volume 3. Just change in X3. And after changing it, just copy and paste it. After pasting it, press enter. Now assign letter D. Instead of D, you just need to select any letter. I'm gonna type E, caps letter E, and after typing it, you just need to copy and paste this command and press enter. Now the drive letter has been changed guys. Now just close stuff here, or you can also copy this exit command and paste it and just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type gpedit.msc. Click on open it. In here under configuration, you just need to select administrative templates and Windows components and file explorer. Just need to scroll down and find it. File explorer. On the right side, you just need to find hide these specified drives in my computer. You just need to double click on it and you just need to set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC guys for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. Method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type disk management. Comes up create and format disk partitions. Click on open it. In here you need to right click on the disk that is missing and select change drive letter. You just need to select change. Click on the drop down and you just need to select the different letter guys. After selecting it, select OK, select yes, and now the drive letter has been changed. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.